Ever wondered where Jeff Bezos is investing his billions in the world of AI? This is the guy who built Amazon, one of the biggest tech giants on the planet. When Bezos puts his money somewhere, it's a big deal. He's not just throwing cash around, he's shaping the future. Right now, he's betting big on artificial intelligence. Some of these companies are so insane you won't believe they're real. We dug deep and followed the money trail. We found the most mind-blowing companies he's backing. This is a sneak peek into the future billionaires are building. Today, we're counting down 7 groundbreaking AI startups backed by Jeff Bezos. Delivery robots, humanoid robots. Each company is crazier than the last. We'll break down what they do and why Bezos is investing millions, sometimes hundreds of millions. This isn't just a list, it's a roadmap to the next 5 to 10 years. Get ready. This is going to be an insane ride. Tech that will redefine how you get your packages delivered. Tech that will redefine how businesses are run. Tech that will redefine what it means to be human. By the end, your mind will be completely blown. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss a single one. The future is happening right now, and Jeff Bezos is paying for it. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 7 is a company that will change city deliveries. It's called Swiss Mile. They're building robots unlike anything you've seen. Forget those cooler-on-wheels delivery bots that get stuck on the curb. Split screen, Swiss Mile next to a conventional bot. Swiss Mile's robots are basically robotic transformers. They drive on 4 wheels like a small car. They reach speeds useful for city logistics. They're fast, they're efficient, they navigate chaotic urban environments. But here's where it gets insane. When the robot hits a curb or a flight of stairs, it literally stands up on 2 legs. It transforms from 4 wheels into a 2-legged walking robot. It can climb stairs, it can step over obstacles. It handles terrain that stops other bots. This is a massive leap forward. From a warehouse down the street right up to your apartment door on the 5th floor, all by itself. Think about the implications. No more left at front desk notifications. Your food, your packages, your groceries, delivered to your doorstep by a robot that can handle any obstacle. Companies like Amazon have wanted this for years. That's why Bezos and his venture fund are investing. They're revolutionizing urban mobility and logistics with AI. It's absolutely wild. Coming in at number 6 is a company straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. This is Figure AI. Their mission is almost hard to believe. They aren't just building a robot to do one specific task. They are building a general-purpose humanoid robot. Looks like a person, moves like a person, designed to work alongside people in the real world. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. Jeff Bezos is one of the key investors alongside Microsoft and NVIDIA. The goal for Figure AI is to create robots that can tackle jobs that are dangerous, difficult, just plain undesirable for humans. Think about manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, space exploration. The Figure 01, their first humanoid, is designed to walk, carry boxes, use tools, perform complex sequences of tasks. The AI behind it allows it to learn, adapt, and operate autonomously in environments built for humans. This could solve labor shortages, dramatically increase productivity across countless industries. It's honestly one of the most incredible things I've ever seen. The videos of the Figure 01 robot are mind-bending. It moves with a fluidity that is miles ahead of what we've seen before. The fact that Jeff Bezos, a man who built a global empire on logistics and warehousing, is investing in this technology tells you everything you need to know. He sees a future where humanoid robots are as common in factories and warehouses as forklifts are today. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete paradigm shift for manual labor. For our 5th spot, we're diving deep into the brain behind the machine. This company is called Skilled AI, and they are masters of a very specific and powerful type of artificial intelligence, advanced machine learning for autonomous systems. While other companies are building the robot bodies, Skilled AI is building the super intelligent minds that will control them. They are creating the core software that allows machines to perceive the world, make decisions, and act on their own without any human intervention. This is the secret sauce that makes true autonomy possible. Think about a self-driving car, a sophisticated drone, or an advanced manufacturing robot. All of them rely on an incredibly complex AI system to function. Skilled AI is developing that exact system. Their focus is on creating machine learning models that are not only powerful, but also incredibly reliable and safe. When you have a massive, powerful machine moving around on its own, you need to be 100% certain that its AI won't make a mistake. Skilled AI is tackling the hardest problems in this field. making autonomous systems trustworthy enough for widespread use. This is a classic Bezos-style investment. It's not as flashy as a humanoid robot, but it's the fundamental, enabling technology that everything else will be built on top of. By investing in skilled AI, he's not just betting on one robot. He's betting on the entire future of autonomous systems. Every car, drone, and robot that operates independently will need a brain, and skilled AI is positioning itself to be the premier provider of those brains. It's a genius move to invest in the core technology that will power an entire industry. All right, at number 4, we have a company that's, bridging the gap between the digital world of AI and the physical world we live in. This is Physical Intelligence. And honestly, the name really says it all. They're literally giving robots a kind of physical intelligence, merging cutting-edge AI software with advanced robotics to create machines that are smarter, more adaptable, and more capable. But this isn't just about making a robot move. It's about making a robot understand its physical environment in a deep, intuitive way. One of the biggest challenges in robotics is getting a machine to interact with objects it has never seen before. I mean, how does a robot know how to pick up a delicate piece of fruit without crushing it, or how to handle a tool it wasn't specifically programmed for? Physical intelligence is actually solving this problem. They're developing AI that allows robots to learn from touch, sight, and interaction, much like a human does. This means their robots can generalize their skills and adapt to new tasks and objects on the fly, which is a crucial step towards creating truly useful, versatile machines. And this is another foundational investment for Bezos. He understands that for robots to really integrate into our world, especially in complex environments like an Amazon warehouse, they need to be more than just pre-programmed arms. They need to be able to handle the infinite variety and unpredictability of the real world. Physical intelligence is creating that common sense for robots. It's the technology that'll allow a robot to not just place an item in a box, but to pick the right size box, gently place the item inside, and seal it correctly, all without being explicitly told how. Number 3. The AI that will replace Google. Cracking our top 3 is a company that you might start using every single day very soon. Meet Perplexity AI. This isn't just another search engine, it's a revolutionary answer engine that could fundamentally change how we find information online. We've all been there. You ask Google a question and get a list of 10 blue links that you have to click through, read, and synthesize yourself to find the answer. It's a process that hasn't changed much in like 20 years. Perplexity AI is throwing that entire model out the window. When you ask Perplexity a question, it doesn't just give you links. It uses its advanced AI to scan the web, read the relevant sources, and gives you a direct, concise answer in plain language, complete with citations showing you exactly where it got the information. It's kind of like having a super intelligent research assistant who does all the hard work for you. You can ask follow-up questions, have a conversation, and dive deeper into any topic. It's a completely different and honestly, a much better way to learn and find information. It's no surprise that Jeff Bezos, a man obsessed with customer experience and efficiency, is backing this. He sees the massive potential in disrupting the multi-trillion-dollar search market. Google has been the undisputed king for decades, but Perplexity AI represents one of the first real threats to its dominance. This is a bet on a fundamental shift in user behavior, moving from searching to asking. If Perplexity AI succeeds, it won't just be a successful startup, it will become one of the most important companies on the internet. Number 2, the superchips powering the AI revolution. Coming in at the runner-up spot, a company building the literal engine of the AI industry. This is Tenstorrent. While companies like Figure AI, Perplexity are creating amazing AI applications, they all need one thing to run: incredibly powerful computer chips. Tenstorrent is designing and building the next generation of AI hardware, specialized processors tailor-made for massive AI workloads. This is the pick-and-shovel play in the AI gold rush. Led by legendary chip architect Jim Keller, he built processors for Apple, AMD, Tesla. Tenstorrent isn't just making existing chips faster, they're rethinking AI computer architecture end-to-end, building hardware that's more powerful, more efficient, and scalable. They're building chips called Grayskull Wormhole, designed to let AI models run with lightning speed, critical for everything from large language models to autonomous vehicles. Jeff Bezos knows the future of AI is limited by the power of the hardware it runs on. By investing in Tenstorrent, he's investing in breaking those limits, a bet on the infrastructure that will power thousands of companies. As AI grows more complex, demand for specialized hardware will explode. a strategic investment in the foundation of the future of computing. Number 1. The AI that manages your money. And the number one most surprising AI startup Jeff Bezos is investing in is a company called Outgo. Now you might be thinking, after all these futuristic robots and super chips, a fintech company is number one? Absolutely, and here's why. It's a genius application of AI to a massive, underserved market. Outgo is a fintech platform built for freight carriers and trucking companies. This is the backbone of the American economy, but many are small operations struggling with complex finances and cash flow. Outgo uses AI to streamline their business. It gives an all-in-one platform for invoicing, factoring, instant payment instead of waiting 30-60 days, a business bank account, and a debit card. The AI automates paperwork, analyzes cash flow to predict needs, and helps them operate with corporate-level financial sophistication. It's using tech to solve real-world problems for the people who keep our country moving. This is the ultimate Bezos investment. It pairs logistics know-how with AI and fintech. Making trucking more efficient doesn't just help truckers, it makes the whole commerce ecosystem run smoother. By empowering small businesses, Outgo creates huge value in a multi-trillion-dollar industry. It's not flashy robots. It's a smart, scalable AI solution. And that is why it's our number one pick. And there you have it, 7 absolutely game-changing AI startups that Jeff Bezos is betting his billions on. From humanoid robots to AI answer engines and financial tools powering logistics. It's an incredible look into the mind of one of the world's most successful entrepreneurs. He isn't just investing in technology, he's investing in a vision where AI makes everything faster, smarter, and more efficient. A future arriving faster than we expected. Each company is a different piece of the puzzle. Tenstorrent, Skilled AI, Physical Intelligence, Swiss Mile, Figure AI, Perplexity, Outgo. It's a complete ecosystem. Seeing where Bezos puts his money is like a cheat code for what's next. He believes AI is the single biggest opportunity of our lifetime. The impact will be massive. These are just a few of the startups he's betting on. Which one will change the world? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. We read every one of your comments. Humanoid robots? Search engine killer? Behind the scenes financial AI? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.